Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to become a host on Airbnb. First, go to the official webpage of Airbnb. Scroll down and you will see an article about hosting on Airbnb. Here, 3 steps are mentioned for becoming a host. Tap on the option Get Started. Provide your phone number. A code will be sent to you via phone number. Enter the code. Now tap on Get Started. Step 1 says, Tell us about your place. Tap on Next. Here you will be asked which of these best describe your place. Select any of the available options. Now answer the question, what type of place will the guests have? Whether the entire place, a room, or a shared room, etc. After this, confirm your location and address. You can also adjust your location through a map. Tapping on your profile after opening Airbnb can help you to proceed further with becoming a host on Airbnb. And that's all. Thanks! Leave like, subscribe, and share.